Good morning, friends. Today we are going to debate on topic of urbanization is problem or progress. So I stand for progress because of urbanization boost the economical economics in the uh, our cities or our state like that. So when we are going to anywhere and see the development or infrastructure. So that time we thinking like that more opportunities are there because of we see the buildings or any infrastructure in urban area. So that time in our mind thought like that there is opportunity to uh, jobs or anything else. So urbanization is good at that things because of if we are developing the good infrastructure in our country. So it always helps to move the it always help to improve economically to each peoples who are living in India or any countries. So it is good for human well-being and also for country. So urbanization is good thing and it will be continue by someone else or government. So it helps to uh, it helps to grow our country and ourselves also. Thank you.
I stand urbanization as progress because urbanization means more people moving village to cities for better education, healthcare, and better life also. Urbanization, cities provide and many opportunities, education, and and more and more things also, because cities have schools or college, uh, and the student get good jobs and education also. And cities also provide hospitals because hospitals hospitals have good doctors and modern machine also. uh, modern machines treat m- uh, um, modern machine treat difficult disease very quickly, so uh, that's time urbanization is good for everyone. And cities provide also good roads, good roads, and and like like transformations, uh, and many things also. So urbanization as progress.
Urbanizations. I stand for urbanizations. Urbanizations is movement of people from village to cities for better job, educations, and healthcare also, and lifestyle. Cities provided good job, good job opportunity, and and communications also. Cities and cities provided kids future, good future for education system and better job also. So cities provides transportation system, So urbanization is progress.
Okay.
Yes, urbanization is progress. It is good, but sometimes is create so many problems. The one is overpopulation, land crisis, and pollution, water pollution, sound pollution, and more than problem created. Sometimes goods, but problem create major problem are creating in, urban cities is air pollution and water pollution. Um, or less home or less homes and but less homes and yes.
Continue. Less homes, what happens?
So this
That's all. Okay.
next time.
However, urbanization is a serious problem because they are creating pollutions. There are a lot of sound pollution, air pollution, water pollution, and they creating the crowding traffic also. Uh, Lack of living areas, they are growth slums because of people suffering lot of diseases because of developments, infrastructures. People are suffering not taken a good quality of food or anything because of the urbanization. There are no farming lands or no oxygen from there. We are taking all time air polluted oxygen. That's why we are suffering always lot of health issues. The rural area is good for taking living life, for taking good organic foods, taking good oxygen. But urbanization is not for good to grow to living the good health or taking organic foods.
I stand for urbanization is problems. Why? Because there are so many people are coming to jobs. So because there are so many IT companies. So increasing day by day population here. So increasing day by day population is affects our effect. It's our effect your people. So there are so many people's you are they are using the there are many construction happening. So there lot of effects the air pollution and and there are so many people using fast food. So when they take the fast food, so their body effects and so.
Continue. You should come naturally. Yeah. So what happens if you take a fast food from outside every day? Ready-made food.
So if I take the fast food, so yeah, our body affects. Yes, our body is not working. Means functioning, not working good, and sometimes I got fevers when we take the fast food, and there are so many lots of noise by heavy traffics and heavy increasing populations. So
in rural areas also people people eat junk food and fast food also, because junk food and fast food many people favorites food also, so they also eat.
Why you take outside food?
They also eat the
Why?
fast food.
no, we take outside food, but I simply eat the vegetables and fruits, so that keeps
In
my
urban
health
areas they
as
also
healthy
eat
and
vegetables and food.
So I never take the spicy food and the oily food. So that's why I am always stay good. Why? Because I am taking the simple vegetables.
I am also
other-
stay in urban cities, but I am also good food.
Take good food.
Take good food.
Okay, so there are
It's-
there are so many population. So how to?
It
the
depends
people-
on we.
Right now, debate topic is
Why is here
problem
so many
and
population?
benefits.
Because
What
cities
else
provided
in,
good job and better
uh,
lifestyle.
Rural
Okay,
life.
but it's not for good for people, because it affects many
But-
harmful.
But it
So-
advantaged many things in urban cities also.
But nowadays, infrastructure is very is first need to develop our country. Infrastructure. So
Yes.
infrastructure is also in terms of urbanization. So we don't move towards urbanization. So we are getting down from other countries.
No, you
So urbanization is very most important for that time only.
Yes, you are right. But
Yes,
urban cities growth without any plan. मतलब first I plan and then create cities, but I don't have any plan and I create cities, and so many people has come outside and population is
No, that is different problem.
That's-
That is
It's a
if we are
That's a problem, but-
developing any cities without plan,
Yes.
so it creates a very difficult, like water crisis and traffic also.
Okay, so
Like you can
there is
see also in Bangalore also.
construction.
It is not it is developed city, but it not organized way.
It may
In
be
all
like
like
cities,
land, like
It is different one. But if you go to Chandigarh, there is very good cities.
Very good
And
city
parking
and
and
very
also
clean
clean
city.
city.
Very clean
So it
city.
is
Indore also.
yeah,
Indore
also.
also. Indore.
So that is a different thing. But if we our nation is developing right now.
it is
So
true.
if we don't move towards urbanization,
No.
so that time we are going down, getting down only.
I agree that it
Only
is
we
developing-
can't stand
it is
anywhere
developing
in,
for education
countries.
and
yeah.
more benefit, but it affects our pollution and our
Life.
Pollution,
like
water pollution, air pollution, and sound pollution is
how to decrease air
common
pollution
thing.
and
And he said also that it is developing the slums. Slum, not slum, na.
No.
We are developing only our country for with using infrastructure only.
there are so many the construction going on.
Or nowadays people are also moving from village to
Cities.
cities.
For
For what?
Because they get
But,
good jobs
yeah,
and
good job and
many
opportunities,
facilities in
many
urban
opportunities
They
are
cities.
there.
are
So
not properly
that's
running
time.
the running. Why? Because of the more pollutions and lack of the lands. So
So you
that's
tell how to change in urban cities. How to
Change of
change life.
yeah.
Yes, in urban city, you have you have good quality of educations, and also hospital are available here. If you are suffering for any disease or like that, you can treat yourself on priority basis and take a good uh,
Okay, but where is the good quality of water? Where is the good quality of food? Where is the good quality
Because
of
so many ITs companies throw
It is- it is negative.
We are
Garbage.
creating only self.
So why people are moving towards moving towards
village
village
to city. Why?
Because
Lot
it
of
is very
different-
lot of
different.
people are came village to cities, but
But now-
everybody
Because they don't know how to keep how to do the right way, how to do the.
No, but nowadays the money is matter only.
yeah, money is
So,
there, but lot
yeah.
of people
And
are
money
came.
can,
Every
yeah.
people not got the
Everybody.
same amount.
Money
Who-
cannot buy everything, because if you don't have the
Health.
health, so how to survive our education
But you
and our
but you eat good
Many
foods
many
and
person
also clean water. That's when you.
many person are living in village. They don't suffer from any disease or like that.
Yeah,
They also
because
suffer from
suffering, but
yeah.
decrease.
Dec-
Lot of time
Yeah,
not.
yeah. Percentage
Some of the time.
percentage is low,
Yeah,
but when they are suffering
They
from
are
any
living-
major disease,
we are
So,
taking organic.
they will
food.
come in cities or urbanization cities and treat with treatment for treatment.
Okay, treatment is there, but how much cost is bearing that?
So that type.
All people is not
So,
bear
that is
that
money,
of
yeah.
amount.
costly.
So you have
Some
money
people
for that
is got
type
lot of money,
to
some
take the
people
that type
have
of
got
treatment.
small
But
amount
many
of money.
times, suppose
So,
suppose
so you take for that type of treatment.
Somebody
you have
came
more,
here.
more money.
He
Or
suffered some.
If you have earned to more money,
disease.
you need to move out from village to urban city
City.
also. Because of you are staying in village, so you don't take any good opportunity for schools and hospitalization also right now. Because of we are only
And many-
developing country, not developed country. So it is mandatory to move out from the urbanizing to develop our countries, full develop.
Yes.
Because nowadays we are only developing only na.
People
Urban
doing
cities is
So,
not managed.
but when we are
Developing.
fully developed, so it will be available on village also.
Every-
Same facilities also available.
Developing is there, but lot of peoples are there, not all for equal. Some peoples are various position, some peoples are their position,
Depend
some
on
peoples are
education,
their
na?
position.
Depend on
Yeah.
education.
Not for education, it is art. Some peoples are doing some work, some peoples are doing some
No, but
work.
opportunities are there na.
Opportunities are
Yeah.
there. Where was
If
here
you have art,
staying?
you can
But he-
earn from
He
anywhere.
can't affect the
anything.
big hospitals, he can't affect the good
Why you are
education. He can't
cities,
affect
Right.
cities government
India
also
only.
provide many facilities.
We can afford. Huh?
Cities government also provide people's many facilities like hospitals, insurance, and also
But the city people's working some of the local man, one of the worker here working 12 hours to 14 hours. How he?
but government provide also
No, but they are working for only for
He is
surviving
working
here, na?
15 to 16 hours.
They
How
would-
he
so why they
take
moved
care
from
to her children or her family?
why they moved from
In the cities.
village to urbanization? They can stay only village.
Only village.
Yeah, obviously.
Yes.
Okay, he is staying urban is
Yes.
good.
Why they are
but
coming here?
nowadays here lot of people is
No,
there.
why they are
The
coming
people
here?
suffering lot of
Suffering is
Lot of
lot of people
No,
suffering
no.
their results.
suffering is
Nowadays here only lot of
but
people are there.
Many-
rural
many-
area also suffering many people because
But
they
percentage
they
is more.
facility is different because of people
Rural
because
people
area
are
they
suffering
are
from
not getting any
many
jobs. they get any jobs, that's time people's foods and also many problems in rural area also. That's time we moving cities and work doing
Doing some work in the urban area to for the survival.
No, no, it is
Yes, sir.
part of it.
विलेज पे क्योंकि अर्बनाइजेशन में प्रॉब्लम्स वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द प्रॉब्लम्स एंड
but as rural areas also problem, then they
But
move
we are talking
urban
about
cities
urbanization.
and
We destroy the rural area, so after that we can create the urbanization. Na?
prison. Because rural
It
area
is also
problems
village.
there,
Maharashtra
they
is also
move
one village,
cities
but it
and
now it is
also-
urban area. It was also village, na? In sometimes like 90, 60, 70, 80.
But we are taking
So that is
polluted
right
oxygen,
thing.
polluted water.
Yes.
Hygiene
Water-
water.
There are many machines are there in urban cities.